All right, guys, so I wanted to do this for you so that it helps you to register for NNU, and this is for forensics. So you'll want to go ahead and fill out your basic information up here, and you'll put down male, female, student social security number is actually optional. There was one problem here with the birthplace state. If you were born outside of Canada or the US, it doesn't have an option for that. So then well, it has a few others like Puerto Rico and stuff, but basically, unless you were born here in the US or Canada or in one of the territories, it's not on here. And so that might be an issue if you were born outside of the country. You might have to put birthplace and city here, put the city and the country, and then they can contact you and figure it out. And then fill out the demographic information. And if you're an Idaho resident and a U.S. citizen, things like that. Have you taken concurrent credit courses at NNU before? Your expected high school graduation year, and then here, you can just go ahead and click on Idaho and then look up Idaho Technical Career Academy. Once you click on it, it will automatically fill the next 3 boxes here. So you want that so that you get that CEEB number or code. Then you're going to put in your mailing address, parent guardian information, and then the course registration. So for forensics, you need to put, and you can do multiple courses here if you're taking more than one from NNU, but you want to put in the forensic science with lab, that's the name. Course number is Chem 1040/1040L because that's also the lab. And then the number of credits is 4, and then my name, Sharinda Coltrane. Okay, so they put you in my section so I can actually give you your grade. All right, then you're going to come down here and you're going to click on Fast Forward Funds. And my parents or guardians may have access to my academic record. So if you're a minor, I would suggest that you put yes. If you're 18 or older, I would say choose whatever works best for you. And then you can click submit. And then half of your registration process is done. Then you'll need to work with Mrs. Grenier on signing up for an advanced opportunities account if you don't have one already. And make sure that you sign the participation form if you're new to advanced opportunities as well. And then she will allocate funds once that's complete or if you have already done that.